Fala pessoal, tudo bem com vocês? No vídeo de hoje eu vou ensinar vocês a fazerem a coloração Moody Fall. É uma coloração muito legal e eu espero que vocês curtam bastante. Então, sem enrolação, vamos pro vídeo.
I'd like to thank all the men and women in the armed forces. I wouldn't be able to follow my dreams if it weren't for them. I get nervous for a show, then I put it all to the side when I realize you'll wake up in the middle of the night just to fight for my freedom. I pledge my allegiance. Ball players and rappers get paid more, I can't believe it. Honestly, we all blessed. Even when I feel depressed, I realize it ain't nothing compared to post-traumatic stress. The government said they look out for you, then they turn their back. You seen your own friends die, there ain't nothing worse than that. You come home and your wife might have left you for a new man. Your kid don't remember you and ain't shit you can do, man. Sorry on behalf of the people that just ignore you. We dying over money, religion, and finding oil. I understand it's necessary, I just wish it wasn't. Ignorant men and women, they just go and blame the Muslims. Stop pointing fingers and blaming a race of people, when every single walk of life is carrying some evil. I know a lot of people gonna get my words twisted. I'm a good guy spreading good vibes on a mission. I want the world to be more accepting of others. Instead of seeing color, realize we sisters and brothers. I wish growing up I showed more respect to my mother. I wanna smile and be happy, but the world's full of trouble, it's high res. Everybody going through some shit, trying hard not to lose my head. Always give my all, my back is against the wall. Yeah.
I can't wait to get back home. My life's so great, don't call my phone. The FLA, where the bud gets grown, is where I stay, no place like home.
Now you can say you living great, but I'm probably living better. Yo, could say you never hate, but I would say whatever. Life is not forever, so never regret shit. Break a girl off, then it's on to the next bitch. So many exes, flyer than the Jets is. With the Saturn view, never been up in the Lexus. Get the message, rap better like it. Center of hip hop, but I ain't gonna hike it. I'm feeling good, nothing can ruin my mood. You may not ever like my music, but I'm spitting the truth. I'm bulletproof, can penetrate me up in the booth. I pass go, no monopoly, you bitches playing glue. Guessing who or how the 16-year-old spitter deliver bitter lyrics that people talking on Twitter. I probably fucked your sister, I'm just playing, there's no place like home. We are about to get faded.
I can't wait to get back home. My life's so great, don't call my phone. The FLA, where the bud gets grown, is where I stay, no place like home.
Spitting incredible, not regrettable, legible, unforgettable. Lyrics ahead of my generation, I pedal through the job. I go so hard while I thrive. What, huh? I think he's fucking talking about his cock. Stop, man, I think I'm getting too nasty. The crowd's hands going up like they really gon' ask me a question. Please stop calling me, I'm in a session.
Então é isso, pessoal, espero que vocês tenham gostado do vídeo, e se você ainda não é inscrito no meu canal, se inscreve e ativa o sininho das notificações, tá bem? Até a próxima, pessoal, valeu!
December 5th, Columbia Presbyterian. Heard about rap, so I busted out Caesarean. Pocket so fat, how the fuck you gonna get